Meaning of foothill.
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 Foothill. A foothill is a low hill at the bottom of a mountain or mountain range. It is usually sloping and gradual, forming a transition zone between a flat plain and a steep mountain slope. Foothills are commonly covered in grasses, shrubs, and trees, and they often have important ecological, cultural, and recreational values. They can provide habitat for many plants and animals, serve as a source of water, timber, and other resources, and offer opportunities for hiking, skiing, and other outdoor activities. Foothill regions are found all over the world and are an important part of many landscapes.